You are welcome to the Civil Engineering Department of HUIB. Today is Wednesday and you can see another practical section. This is a formwork for pillar. We are just from having a theoretical exercise back in the class that has been giving us all the necessary dimension. You can see here we have 15, you have 15. So this is a pillar, this is a formwork that is going to give us a good shape of a pillar that is needed. We are group A, the other group B is behind doing the reinforcement exercise. We are waiting for them to be through with the reinforcement in order for us to cast the pillar.
Okay, we are group 2, we are the reinforcement team. We are here to create the reinforcement that will suit the formwork in which group A is currently working on. What reinforcement is? Reinforcement is actually an element in a construction that holds the building together.